Our customer ordered a Parker gerotor with the wrong shaft. We will be replacing the keyed one with a splined shaft. First, we're going to take it apart, change the shaft, and have it tested. When disassembling the gerotor, it is best to mark down and across from the end cover to the housing. This makes it easier when reassembling the unit. After advising the client of the additional 40-week lead time, we all agreed for us to swap out the keyed shaft, which will only take us about a couple of hours.
You got your 1 inch.
This procedure would be the same as a shaft replacement in a repair. This motor has the option to have a straight keyed or a splined shaft. For our client's application, they will need a splined shaft. This is a spline shaft, and this one is keyed. We will be repairing these 2 units in a future video. Once assembled, we found that the shaft was too stiff. We will disassemble the unit to further inspect. Trent now has to take apart the top half of the housing to see where the problem could be. Taking out all the alignment studs, Trent releases the rotor. The rotor looks to be in good condition with no signs of damage or wear. While taking each section apart, he keeps up with cleaning. Now to reassemble the motor, Trent shows the importance of the indicator marks that he drew at the beginning. It makes it a lot easier to put back together with these marks. Placing the shaft first, then the rotor around it, it spins with ease. Placing a new grease seal down and inserting the vanes into the rotator assembly. Now that the gerotor is put back together, we will take it to our valve test bench to test it. Engineering ran the test and made sure that the gerotor is running well with its new spline shaft. Time to ship this gerotor out to our customer, knowing we have tested it and the operation is successful. And that's why we test. After putting this gerotor together, we thought that the shaft might be a little bit too stiff, but by inspecting and testing it, we realized that it wasn't. And that's why we test, to make sure that our pumps and motors run smoothly.